We can't check in until 4, so we put our suitcases away and then got changed, and we're just going to chill by the beach. Oh, by the pool for a bit in the bar and grab some food. Right, guys, we are now just chilling. We're gonna have lunch. Just look at it. The sky has no clouds whatsoever. Another one. Take a look at a wild Ina over there. So now she's in the water before we go in. Guys, so we have just finally checked in and it's so cute. We have our own self-catering. And then a balcony. So, yeah. This is cute. It's really nice. It looks really clean as well. Yeah. I came from the pool, so I look like this. I tried to cover up. I just walked into the door. What is wrong with me?
It looks open.
I don't know if you can see it. Wait, where is it? Where is the mark there? This girl, she walked into it. I was in the toilet, and all I hear is a loud bang. Oh, this girl's so dopey. Quickly update. We are in a cab on our way to Portugal Aqua Shopping Centre. Cause why not? Cause why not? We just want to go shopping. And also buy food. Buy food because we have a self-catering. So
are we gonna just do
I'm just wearing this cute little knit crop top with mum shorts. Ina's wearing a cute little pink crop top. What do you see with her mum shorts? Later on we need to like figure out what we're gonna do and book some stuff. Activities we're gonna do. She's so excited for Sephora. We are now at, where are we? Praia.
How did you say
The
it?
Rocha. Rocha.
Rosh.
Rocha. I don't know. But anyone who's Portuguese, let us know. Because we don't know how to pronounce it. But we are... Oh, why are you smiling?
What?
Oh, I was thinking why...
You were like anyone who's Portuguese. Let us know.
Oh, yeah. We're here at a restaurant called Sol Restaurant. Tina. It's cute. It's a cute little restaurant here. Huh? Oh yeah. Cute little. Look at this cute little plant.
Cute little plant.
Cute little plant.
Cute little plant.
This girl bought a whole ass perfume. When we
Not too good.
we don't even have enough space for our liquids. But hey ho, we're gonna figure it out. This place is so cute. I like it. I like it a lot. We got our food. I'm so excited. She got Portuguese steak. Oh, is that steak underneath?
Portuguese style steak.
With chips. And then I got my grilled octopus with boiled potatoes.
Oh my gosh.
Yum. Okay, we're really hungry, so So we are at Zoo Marine. It's cute, it's quite empty, which is nice. It's like this cute little, like a load of stuff you can do in here.
Check the itinerary. What is it, dolphins? Takes us.
Wherever the world takes us, wherever we stumble across.
But then after we're gonna be here. We
Yeah.
can go on one of the rides.
Yeah, I don't mind. We'll have to go on it. We both got the Toscano. It's cute because they do like birthday parties here. And it smells so good. Oh my god. Yes! Off to the butterfly garden. What's that?
Aquarium.
Ooh,
I think.
I thought it was a bee. Or is that a wasp? I don't even know what that was. I feel like it's gonna be really hot in here. It's posing. And that's what I said. It looks like it is. The poser. It's like if I don't move, they don't see me. Hi, friends. Right, guys. It is currently, I think it's like 9 p.m. and we have just finished getting ready. We haven't even had dinner yet. But, hey ho, this is what I look like. I'm wearing a long dress, one shoulder, and Ina is wearing her zebra dress. So it just looks like this. We got cute little anklets. We are here at this cute rooftop restaurant. Oh, there's a bug on my menu. There's a bug on my menu. Fly, be free, be free.
Just drop it.
But it's gonna be free. It's just gonna fly once it. See, it's gone. It's not down there anymore. Yum. That looks so good. Yeah. Yeah. That's all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, that's all good.
Are you
But
sure?
yeah, I'm sure. Thank you. Ravioli and carbonara. The romantica. So it has like a vanilla ice. It's vanilla, isn't it?
Vanilla ice cream, toffee, wafer, and nuts.
Nuts.
And chocolate.
So it's like a little crunch to it.
Get crunch.
Made it to the This is quite nice. We just finished kayaking. I think
eat here.
we are pros. I think we're pros though, but we're trying to find out somewhere to eat because we're hungry. Oh, look at the quad bike though. Sad we have to have a license and we don't drive. Here? This one here by the beach. Okay.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm in paradise. I actually feel like I'm in paradise.
It looks really nice, innit? These are all the restaurants. We're gonna go to the beach just across down there. That looks so nice. Be nice or go home. Lovely. Thank you, y'all.
Enjoy.
Obrigada. This looks nice. I got Love Potion, number 8 with Grey Goose. And she got a 6 on the beach. Yum. She got some calamares, fries, and California and a dragon roll, which looks so good. I'm just doing sharing. We're still waiting for our tacos and the bao baos. Everything finally came. Look at those baos. Ooh, and then the tacos. Narnia. Hi friends! We are back at our hotel.
And we are blind.
And we are blind because our TV's so far.
Okay, so
We're gonna order food instead of going out today, which is chill.
whoa, this is a lot of food.
Mates, we are tired from our day today. Up early, kayaking. Feel like I lost some fat on my arms. But yeah, and then we just went to the beach and just swam and swam. Our food came, guys. Why did I say it like that? Our food came, guys. I wet myself on the way back to our room. Joking. Our iced tea broke the back because it spilt, and then it's just all over. Trail to our room.
Classy little.
I knew this would happen sometime. We lied ourselves out. Cute. She looks cute too. She's a twister. Gotta grab the key. We're already 1 hour behind schedule. So, yeah. This ain't it. Anyways. We have just reached Lagos. I think it's Lagos. It's cute. It's really hot. It's like 29 degrees today. Look up there. The marina and the beach are just down there. But we're gonna walk around and take some pictures. Very cute. It's cute. is so cute. This restaurant called Abrigo. It's cute. We got Roma pizza. It has ham, mushrooms, and mozzarella cheese, baby. And some fries. We wanted octopus salad, but they didn't have it. Sad. She's so cute. Little candles and soaps. So cool. Ina getting her man a jersey. Ranger, you better like it. Is he special?
Maybe.
Uh-huh.
Only if he likes it. I think he will.
He will. He will, of course.
I feel like he's the type to collect jerseys.
We literally went back to the apartment just to get ready again. Just to get ready again for pictures before we go tomorrow. And look at stuff. We brought our bags too, which are empty as well. Guys, I got me some natas. Kind of excessive, but you know. You gotta do what you gotta do. If you know me, I love my natas. Hey. I'll stop running around.